Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. You're watching Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's Wednesday, May 1st. And today we'll start with the news because we have big news. I love to trade, but today I think I'll sit 99% on the sidelines. If I'll see something important, okay, maybe I'll try something, but in general, it's the best idea to stay on the sidelines. Just look at the image and you can see we have PMI, Fed interest rate decision, Fed conference. Today it's a good day to take a break, make some popcorn and stay on the sidelines. Good morning, Miku. Good morning, Todom. Good morning, Yopunk. Hey, Hania. Okay. So, big news today, Friday also, but today I think it's better for us to sit on the sidelines and approach the market like Miku does. Miku is praying now. Actually, Miku is praying every day for Bitcoin to go lower so he could get some fills at lower prices. Yeah, and he was upset in the morning, only 10 fills this week. Well, not so good. I think it's the best approach, at least in days like this. Okay, now, because we have news, we'll stay on higher time frame and let's take a look at what we have on the market. Bitcoin, I don't need to say it, but you can see it by yourself. It's looking ugly. Yeah, we are at the bottom of the range and no bounce, nothing is happening. Morning, no rip. So, yeah, I'm a range trader. Yeah, I love to hunt long ideas here, but tell me a setup here. I don't have any setup. I could see maybe an SFU here at 59, but that assumes that I'll go on 5-minute chart, wait for a breakdown, and then a close back above, and I'll hope that it's enough. I'll see in a London session if it's the case. For the moment, I don't have a setup on 4-hour chart, not even lower time frame. We had, and we still have the orders here. They are pretty exact. You can see we broke a bit below and now 61.8 and 78.6 are a bit lower, but they are good enough. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to get in that area. And if you remember last week, 2 weeks ago, when the price was bouncing here, a lot of people are saying, well, why you want to short Bitcoin? Well, I'm hoping to get a fill there in short reload zone. Seems like I didn't have the opportunity. You can see they front run us at 50%, put an EM just below 61.8, and that was the trade and breaking down. We'll hold the support here. Looks like we'll break below, but maybe I'm wrong. And let's trade some setups. Let's not put our opinion first. Let's put setups first. I don't have a setup. I'll watch on the sidelines. So that's for our chart. Indicators, nothing special. You can see here, I don't see any bullish divergence, nothing. On higher time frame, on daily, for example, I see something forming. Just allow me to zoom in a little bit. Well, you can see on MACD we can form a bullish divergence if we'll hold the 60k level, 59. Same idea on OBV. If we'll hold these levels, then we'll form a bullish divergence. But it's just potential for the moment. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. Daily, it's a bit too much for a daily live stream. Well, Ethereum, 4-hour chart. Same kind of thinking. We have this downtrend channel, active, lower highs, lower lows. We have 2 weeks here. We'll retest probably this level. Will this level hold? For the moment, I think, yeah, for a bounce. You can see I have to go on higher time frames again. But you can see here we have a small support. It's 61.8 from this swing low. It's 38.2 from the entire range. So I think it's pretty important level, $2,900. Will this level hold? For a bounce, yeah, after that I think we can go lower. Deeper in the long reload zone, deeper in the pump chaser zone, and so on. Nice channel here, well respected, I like it, and we can trade something like this. It's not a range, but it's similar. The problem with a downtrend, you don't want to buy the bottom, you want to sell the top, because it's a downtrend. So every time the market is bouncing at the top of the channel, you are trying to sell. You don't want to buy the bottom. For the moment, I don't have a setup here, not on daily. We have some bullish divergence on MACD. That's good. At least we have something. Not on 4-hour chart. You can see I don't have anything. Even if we are thinking, okay, long, give me a W, give me something to work on. 4-hour chart, okay, an LJ will be the best, but an LJ will form a bit later. A lot lower, probably. So, no setup. Bitcoin dominance. 4-hour chart, you can see we are still holding the higher time frame support. Once we broke above this level, this become a support and we are holding that one. Again, I have to go on daily to zoom out so you can see it even better. Yeah, this was the range, breakout, retest, and we are playing around in this area. For the moment, we are going sideways, but I could see an AB equals CD, a big one, maybe 58%, 60%, who knows. I'm praying for a for an altcoin season, but here in the short reloads or not here. If the market will dump from here, well, we'll dump from here, but that doesn't mean we'll have an altcoin season. Let's watch and see what will happen. I saw a bullish divergence on MACD, on OBV on 4-hour chart. You can see it here. So we have some strength on Bitcoin dominance. That's not a good sign for altcoins. Hey, Millennial. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. I didn't see you in a YouTube or in Crypto Traders Arena for some time. I hope you are okay. Well, if we'll bounce here, okay, we can think about, let's hunt an M. If we'll see an M in the short reload zone there, we can activate Holy Grail and maybe we can play some setups. For the moment, nothing to do. I'll be honest, I took a look at Holy Grail in the morning. Yeah, you can trade Holy Grail, but on the short side. Yeah, we have some downtrends and some altcoins. But as many of you know, I'm not allowed to short altcoins. That's my plan, and I'll respect it. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance is still at the support, trying to bounce. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. No, we didn't do too many things from yesterday. Still in this downtrend channel. And you remember we said AB equals CD to the downside, AB equals CD to the upside. Seems like we had the upside scenario. We did an SFU here, top of the channel, classic trend channel setups. You can see 3-bar fractal here, back in the middle of the channel, some support. Now it's going sideways. Again, I have to go on higher time frame to see if I have something else. And for the moment, yeah, we have a W here. Ugly one, but it's there. If this level will hold, okay, make another W and break the other side of this trend line and put a W and then go up. I think that will happen. Well, not quite. We didn't touch 61.8. We don't have a third touch on the megaphone pattern. So we definitely can go lower. What exactly will happen? We don't know. We are here to find some setups, not to predict the market. So honestly, I'll adapt and depending what market will give me. Okay, so Ethereum versus Bitcoin still in this downtrend channel. When we'll break this channel, we'll know. W the other side of this trend line because this is a valid trend line here. Yeah. W the other side and we can play a setup. For the moment, nothing we can do. DXY. Well, as I said, it's still in the range, but consolidating below a resistance area usually is bullish. Yeah, okay, we had AB equals CD. We need a break. We need to consolidate this move, but we can do another one. and that will push us up in the short reload zone. We'll go even higher at big fat round number 110. Who knows? For the moment we are still in the range, so let's assume that the range will hold. It's that simple. Guys, if you have any requests, please type it in the chat. All I need is the ticker and the time frame you want me to take a look. So seeing the XY staying here in this area and still in the range, well, it's okay. I prefer to see the XY there, and just don't worry about it. Well, now it's time to go on a weekly chart, and let's see what we have on Bitcoin on weekly chart. Let's hide a little bit the drawings. Well, it doesn't look too bullish, no? Honestly, no, it's not bullish at all. But this candle is not closed. Let's not forget that. Yeah, we have the tendency to forget and look at the chart. Well, this is the chart. Well, no, this is an open candle. Could close a lot lower, for example at 52, or could close a lot higher, for example at 68. It's still open. Until Monday morning, we should not put too much value on this candle. But what I have today looks ugly. And you can see it pretty simple. It's not something overcomplicated. Yeah, 52 is the first support area. Look left. If you don't believe me, don't trust this one. Look left. You can see we have some support at 52. And the next one, it's at 45. 44, 45 kind of idea. Again, look left. If we break this level, well, then then will be really ugly, and Miku will be really happy. Now, Miku will get, if we'll break below 40k, Miku will get 90% in crypto. And after that, he will just put his hands under his ass and wait. Honestly, I don't know if we'll break below 40k. I don't know that. But even at 40k, will get me to 70, 75%, maybe 80% in crypto. I think that's good. I'll never go 100%. But I think we have a chance. Bitcoin, if we'll get here in 44, 45, I'll look for a bottom. Well, I don't put too much pressure on monthly candle again. I'm putting a lot of pressure on weekly candles. But let's take a look at monthly. Why do you ask? You want me to become even bearish? More bearish than I am? Well, I'm bearish on short term, not on medium or long term. On long term, I'm bullish. Ugly to bar fractal candle. Railroad tracks here. We took back what we gained last month. Not the best scenario, but same kind of idea. You can see this is the 32 is the support on monthly. So on monthly chart, if we'll close above 25, we are still bullish. So until we'll break 25 and we'll close below 25, I'm still bullish. I know on lower time frame people will get destroyed. I know some leverage people will get liquidated multiple times until then. It's up to them. Join Crypto Traders Arena and you'll never get liquidated. If you listen, if you not, it's the same thing. So monthly looks even uglier. Let's go back on weekly, Ken. Okay, so weekly chart. 52, let's take it step by step. Monthly is not tradable. Yeah, if you are an investor, okay, look at monthly, but nothing you can do with monthly chart if you are a swing trader or a day trader. So 52 is the first level, second is 45, and then 31, 32. Step by step, let's see if we'll get at 52. If we'll get there, we can reanalyze and we'll see what will happen. Now, total 2 looks kind of similar. This is the support here at 700 billion. I don't see a support until then. Okay, so that's the overview. Not too many things to say. It's not a good day for trading. I'll repeat that multiple times today. Let's go on kind of day trading, swing trading part. I'm waiting here. You can see the trend line. I'm waiting to see what will happen. I don't have a W on 4-hour chart. I don't have a W on 1-hour chart. I'm waiting for this SFU to see just to see what will happen. Maybe I could play a setup on lower time frame here, but nothing else. It's in the range, but it's weak. It's that simple. Ethereum looks kind of similar. If you take this low and you take this high, you are in the long reload zone, middle of the downtrend channel, but I don't see a bounce. I need a W, I need something even for a day trade. We need something to play around. I don't have enough reasons to take a shot here. Not for the moment. Maybe later will be different. Later we'll have news, so I'll be forced to stay out. If I'll find a scalp, kind of a 5-50 minute chart, I'll post it on Crypto Traders Arena, but usually it's not a good idea to trade today. Okay, that's Ethereum. Solana, well, I don't know. What do you say, Ken? You think this is possible? AB equals CD to get us in the long reload zone? Just asking for a friend. Here we have the support. This is the long reload zone from the entire range. At least $100. I think it's more than possible. It's even probable. Will happen? We don't know. We are not here to predict. But if we'll get in the long reload zone and if I'll see a consolidation, a W breakout, things like that, I'll try to add and buy more Solana. How low will go? I don't know. If we'll go below 78.6, then we have a problem. And I'll keep my bags, that's for sure. I'm not selling until the top, but let's see what will happen. I could see an AB equals CD here because we have a big M, clear M here, and from that M we have an AB, and now we can do a CD, and then we can consolidate and go sideways and then go up again. If we'll go lower than the long reload zone, well, it's not the best time to think about that. Let's see what will happen at 61.8. Let's see what will happen if it's the case in the long reload zone, and we'll see. At this point in time, to hunt a long idea here, well, we bounced a couple of times. We bounced from this area, but now Bitcoin looks weak. Solana looks weak. Meme coins are not active anymore. I think we have a fair chance to go a bit lower. So I don't see a setup. Daily 4-hour chart, I don't see a setup here on Solana. Let's take a look at 1 hour. I see an M. So no setups here. I'll wait. I don't have to be in a trade every moment. Okay, let's take a look at 4-hour chart and the rest. I don't think we have anything to trade today on them, but let's see. Well, BNB is holding. It's at the middle of the range, but we have some M's here. So, no, nothing. Doge. Well, Doge is going down at the bottom of the range. If I'll see a SFU or I'll see a clear setup here, I could try a long, but for the moment I don't see any setup. I love to trade the ranges, but this time I just don't see anything special. We need at least something like this. FET, well, is going down. If it's going down, Miku is happy because he has some limit orders starting with 61.8. Well, I prefer 78.6 or a sweet spot. So I prefer this week to be taken out. Here we have some support at 1.1. Probably just a bit order above the $1. It's the best scenario for now. And from that point, if you go lower and lower, you can dollar cost average. But I don't see a setup here on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. We have a location, but show me more than that. Yeah, I could see a long reload zone here. Let's just bring it on the chart. Well, you can see we have long reload zone. We are at 61.8. But give me more. I'll go on 1 hour chart, maybe. And you can see we don't have anything special. We had a bounce from 61.8. but was just a dead cat bounce, didn't hold, and we can go lower. How low, we don't know. That's why we are playing usually in this kind of environment, we are playing general setups. Location, indicator confirmation, price, structure, a W in this case. We don't have anything like that. We have only a location and that's it. Indicators, well, bullish, bearish, they are all over the place. Look at OBV, how ugly it looks. So no setup for the moment. For our chart. Matic, going sideways. I don't see a setup. Dimension. It's in the long reload zone, but you can see I'm on 4-hour chart and I don't see anything special. We had some bullish divergence here. Let's go on 1-hour chart. Maybe we can find something. Well, location bounce from 78.6. We bounced first time from 61.8. Dead cat bounce, didn't hold. 78.6 bounced. We are aiming out in the long reload zone. I'm not saying about IM to think short. I'm talking about IM. Don't be too greedy to buy here. I could see another AB equals D to the downside and a short bot setup. Let's invert the scale and I'll show you what I see. A small one, I could see a bot setup here. But that's day trading scalping. Okay, let's put the bot one. Well, we have the first condition is below 33. Let's clone this one. And let's put the second part of the bot. And let's zoom in on kind of 50-minute chart and you'll see it even better. Okay, so you can see here pretty nice. A, B, C, D, one low, two lows. A W is confirming, kind of. You can think here an LJ. So you have a day trade here. But keep in mind this chart is inverted, so we have a short setup here. Yeah. So LJ, W the other side of the trend line, or M if you put the chart backwards, back exactly like it was. So we can play on day trading part, even if the location is not the best. The bot setup doesn't need the location. Bot setup has different rules. It's a trending market tool, yeah? A trending setup. So you can play a dimension short if you want. I'm not allowed to short altcoins. That's why I'm not focusing on that. But I could see a setup there. Alt, let's go back on higher time frame. Why I'm stay on 4-hour, 1 hour and pinpointing on 50-minute chart? Because I don't see a better solution now. Price discovery for this one, no? Well, not quite. But not in the long reload zone. You can see first level of hours, second in the long reload zone. We are the other side of this trend line, but no W, and we can bleed at least another 50% in the long reload zone. If we'll see a W breakout, retest, could be something, but at this point in time, no. Pixel in the long reload zone on the wrong side of the trend line, nothing to do. Manta, well, Manta is trying something, but you can see it's bouncing again from 61.8. Will hold? No, but we are attacking that level. We can go lower, yeah. And if we ignore this first candle, you are in a price discovery, just on the wrong side. We need some consolidation here. We need on daily, you need a consolidation, you need a sideways channel, and then we can go up again. These new coins are not shiny anymore. Nobody cares about them. So they need to consolidate. They'll pump again, and they'll pump stronger than the rest, but they need to consolidate. They need to find the bottom. They need to find how many people from the pre-sale will still hold. How many new holders they will have. So will take some time until they'll find the bottom. That doesn't mean we should not focus on them. We actually add a challenge for the new coins, and we have the last chance challenge. By the way, we got more fields yesterday, and I think today I got some alarms. Tell me, Miku, we had some fields today on last chance challenge. I don't know if Miku is still here. Okay, so they are not shiny anymore. Let's give them some room to breathe, give them some room to form a bottom, and we can play them again. Same idea on pit, could go a lot lower. We had a trade, now it's going down. We'll get in the price discovery pretty soon. Let's wait. Let's wait and until we'll see a W, probably on daily chart. I don't think we can do anything. It's a bit too late to short, and definitely not the moment too long. Dollar cost average, okay, you can do that, that's for sure. Well, Jupiter, I don't know. It's a nice coin, but I could see an AB equals CD. I know it looks ugly, but it's possible. An AB equals CD doesn't look nice. Just doesn't look nice. Let's see. Ooh. An AB equals CD will point out at 88.6 kind of idea. If the Bitcoin will lose 60k, will go to 52 and maybe a bit lower. Well, this scenario is possible. Will be a buying opportunity for Jupiter? Yeah. For the moment, nothing to do. Aevo, price discovery, and you can see it's testing the lows. Dollar cost average is the only thing you can do here. Land, same kind of idea, going down, going down. When we said that let's put the long reload zone from the low, a lot of people told me, well, that's not a valid price action. Just why you put that there? Well, that's why. Because it's valid. And I'm expecting to be retested where they launch it on Binance, for example, or KuCoin. Look last bull market, and you'll see why I put this level. Joe, it's a valid project already, so dollar cost averaging is the best. I don't see a trade, that's for sure. But that doesn't mean we cannot take Miku approach. Huh? Just wait to get some fills. And hopefully, if we lose 60k, we'll get more fills and more fills. Yeah, a lot of people are panicking now. I know that. But hopefully, nobody from Crypto Traders Arena is in that situation. Hopefully. Morning, Robert. Yeah, we warned multiple times. Even when the price was 70k, 71, and a lot of people were saying, well, this time is different. Okay, I don't think it's different. It's similar with the last bull cycle. Well, no, it's not, because ETF, because, well, okay. It's up to you, it's your plan, it's your money. Like I warned you last week, please keep in mind, 60k we can lose that level, and just imagine what will happen with altcoins. If you have cash, you put some limit orders. You are not waiting, well, no, I will not put a limit order. I'll wait for the market to dump and then I'll buy. No, you'll not buy. You'll be too scared to do something then. You'll wait for lower levels. Put your limit orders now, before the dump, before the thing. You have a clear mind now. Well, I want to play at 78.6. When the price will be at 78.6, you'll say, well, no, we'll go to 0. I'll not buy this one. So, make a plan and respect it. That's the idea. That's why we have the last chance, and it's I put it like a challenge, read-only document this time. So I'm trying to force people either take the challenge or just leave it alone. Some people ask me, well, give me access to copy it. No. You have everything you need. Miku is the most consistent guy in Crypto Traders Arena. He's updating daily, so you don't have anything to worry about. Just put your orders there and wait. Next month, yeah, this actually at the end of this month, we'll do an evaluation to see if it's something we can do and manually add more orders. So we have 3 orders here. Okay, I blabbed away for half an hour. The conclusion is pretty clear. Not a good day for trading, a good day to plan, and a good day to verify if you have the levels in the market. It's that simple. I don't see any requests, so let's close the live stream and I'll go to try to find some scalps on VIP guys in a London session. Okay, so see you guys next time. We'll not do a live stream like this tomorrow on Friday. We'll be back probably Tuesday or next Wednesday. So we'll not live stream from today. It's holidays for us, so I'll just take care of the Discord, post some trades if I'll see some, but nothing more than that. It's kind of a short vacation for us. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.